Well, hey there, my friends. It is Cecilia Morris here, and I just wanted to jump in and do a quick video to show you about the cash flow management system with MyEcon. I figured it's the first of the month, so it's a great time for me to show you how the cash flow management system in MyEcon can benefit you and your business. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and get started, and I'll share my screen. All right, so we are in MyEcon. Let's get rid of my my pretty face right there. There we go, MyEcon. So I'm gonna log in. And if you have signed up with me and you're on our team, even if you're not with me, you're on our team. So I'm just gonna go ahead and log in. And this is the business management system. So I have this as part of my favorites. If you don't have it, I believe it's under the income shifting membership if you haven't set up your favorites yet. Why, yes, it is. So let's go to the cash flow manager. And I've already started one for September, and I've got my monthly business expenses here. So this is the cash flow manager. If you want to know how to set it up, all you do is click create new cash flow manager. You'll say whether it's business or personal, and you'll give it a name, and we'll get started. So mine are named by month. So let's do September 2018. And I want to enter new expense. All right, so I'm going to put in my business expenses for the month of September. You can use this for business or personal. Once again, I'm just doing this as an example to show you how the cash flow manager in MyEcon can work for you. So this type of expense is, let's call this, let's see, the first one I'm going to do is Calendly. That is my monthly calendar, so people can set appointments with me to either be part of my coaching team where I coach people. They maybe want to join as a group, or we'll just have a consultation to see if we can work together. So, and you can see all the different type of expenses that are there. If one isn't there, you can always select custom and create your own. So I'm looking for something that says monthly something, monthly renewal fees. Okay, there we go. All right, sorry. So this amount, the date is going to be on the 15th because that's when this particular expense hits, which will probably be the 14th since the 15th is on a Saturday. The amount is $10. Yep, it costs me $10 a month. This is my monthly calendar. No, we'll just call it Calendly. I don't need to add any specific notes. I don't have to add an image. There's no mileage. Is this repeat? So I'm going to say yes, monthly, and then I'm going to put the 15th of October. And save entry. All right, so now I've got 2 entries in there so far for the month of September. I'm just going to add a couple of more so you can get the gist of it. Once again, I'm only adding my business expenses. All right, so let me enter a new expense. All right, so this one is also monthly, but it's not a renewal fee. I'm going to give this a custom name. And I'm going to create new. And I'm going to call it Facebook because I do Facebook advertising. Let's edit that because I do Facebook advertising. Facebook ads. And save. Now this varies for me every month only because it all depends on how much advertising I do for the month. So I'm going to enter new expense. And we're going to select the one that I just created, Facebook ads. I know this is going to come through at the end of the month, which will be the 28th since the 30th is on a Sunday. I don't know the amount yet, but I'm just going to put Facebook advertising as the description. And I'm not going to do anything else. It is recurring because I advertise. If you're not advertising for your business, you probably aren't getting very far in your business. If McDonald's advertises, so should you. That's my slogan. That's what I tell people who join my team. You have to advertise so people will see you. People know McDonald's. They see the golden arches everywhere. People don't see you everywhere. So you have to advertise, and that needs to be part of your monthly budget. All right, here's another one that I'm going to do. This is for my emails. All right, so let's see if this is in here somewhere. Emails. All right, so I'm gonna add another custom expense, create new, email. Now this is separate because these actually hold, you know what, I'm gonna call this domain names because this really isn't email marketing, it's my domain names. So like my domain, Success with Cecilia, this is the company that hosts my domain name. So I'm gonna enter a new expense. I'm gonna call this, pick domain names that I just created. They also come out at the end of the month, so I'm gonna put that in there. That charge is actually $8.99. And that's because I've got multiple domains. I've got Success with Cecilia, I've got TCIBIZ, I've got Take in Charge Inc., just to name a few. I've got youaretheboss.net. So I've got a few in there. So domain name host. Oops. All right, this is recurring monthly, and it's going to happen again on the 31st. And we're going to save entry. All right, so I just want to do this quick video just to show you. Let's see. So they're not showing up in here because they haven't occurred yet, except that one for 9/1 that I'm going to go in here and edit. Let's see. Oh, no, that came through. That's MyEcon ID Defender. That's my identity protection and Legal Shield's version, or MyEcon's version of Legal Shield. That came through on the 1st. So it's only going to show me the expenses that I've inputted between the 1st and the 3rd. But if I set this to the 30th, now it's showing me everything that I put in there, even though some of the things like Facebook advertising don't have a cost yet. So this is how you are able to keep track of your business expenses. You can also do reports. You can do a printable view. You can do a mileage log, and you can do a profit and loss year to date. I just wanted to show you real quickly how to keep track of your expenses. Now, if you wanted to do this as a printable view, this is something you can download, export to CSV, and then email to your accountant at the end of the year. And they will have a tally of all your expenses, your mileage, your income, everything for the entire year to do your taxes. So let me go back and stop the screen share. All right, so I just want to do a quick video to let you know how the cash flow manager can benefit you. One of the things I forgot to tell you is that you are also able to upload your receipts in the cash flow manager. Now, right now, the things that I've entered, they all come through to me electronically and in my bank account. But say, for instance, I was to go out to dinner. What I would do is take a picture of that receipt on my phone, I'd upload it to my computer, and then I would add it to that expense when I put the line item in there in the cash flow manager. So not only is the expense date and time in there, but also a copy of the receipt as well. So if you're in business and you're keeping a box of receipts somewhere, you can eliminate that by being part of the MyEcon team. For the small fee, very small fee of $34.95, not only are you able to manage your expenses as a business owner, have a downloadable file that you can give to your accountant at the end of the year, but you will also have a home-based business. If you have more questions about that and how it works, go ahead and click the link that's in the comments, so that way you can either contact me at support@successwithcecilia.com, or you can go ahead and get started on our team. As part of my team, you will get $4,110 worth of value. That includes 3 one-on-one coaching calls. You will get access to our private Facebook groups. You will also get access to weekly trainings where we'll go in more detail over things like your cash flow manager system. And you will also get access to our Sunday team building, where we build our team by encouraging people to jump on a Sunday call where we go through a 40-minute presentation that explains to you exactly how MyEcon works, what you can do with income shifting, and how it can benefit you as a home business owner. So go ahead and click the link in the comments and let's get you started, or hit me up at support@successwithcecilia.com if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.